custom prefab homes. Today we have Blake Mithrush, our project manager, here to talk a little bit about pricing. What often customers inquire about in regards to our homes is after the design phase is done, what happens next? What do we do to get an actual price to the customer? So Blake, perhaps maybe we can ask, so customers have now signed the design contract, they've completed the design, they actually have a full-fledged design that they've approved. Now they come to you, maybe you can talk a little bit about what the process is after that.
Absolutely. So first of all, we will pull out our materials spec sheet, and in this document, this basically takes all of our materials that we will be using, and we'll put them down on paper, and it starts with framing components, and it works all the way through to finishes like the exterior facade of the house, windows, yeah, basically anything and everything that will be used in your house package.
So some of these items on the table, maybe we can talk a little bit about them. There's a whole bunch of different exterior materials that we presented here as some of our many options that are available to customers.
Yeah, so over here we have, this is an example of our I-joists. So we do offer engineered framing systems as well as regular dimensional lumber. This is an example of a glue-lam, an architectural beam that would be exposed in, for example, a roof system. This is a section of a door, so you'll be choosing, you know, the type of door, the style of door. Right here we have some pine. This is typically a soffit material. And on this piece you can see we have different sheens, different colors. So we'll go through almost every aspect of choice.
Excellent. So then once all those exterior materials are chosen, then what happens in terms of the pricing sort of process?
So once we nail down all the materials and we understand what's going to be in the package, I will then take the list and your plans and go back in the office and add up all the numbers, and we come back with a fixed cost for us to supply.
So that's really a crucial point there, is that once the material, there's so many choices and types of materials that customers have to choose from. Once they choose all of those materials, that's what actually helps to generate their custom home or their custom home package. So maybe talk a little bit about, so that's for the exterior portion of the house. Maybe talk a little bit about what happens after the exterior part is completed, then what happens next from that stage in terms of pricing.
Of course, so at that point we will engage our director of construction and as well designers, and we will put together a budget, and this will be a live budget that yourself, the client, and Kana, our director of construction, will work together in order to create a final total. And that will include your package as well as all the finishing materials and everything that will go into your house, including appliances, you know, paint, flooring, everything.
And that would be specifically for those customers that want to do, let's say, a licensed build or a primary residence or something like that.
Absolutely. So that's a turnkey finished product. So yeah.
Excellent. Perfect. I think that's really great. I think the customers are going to really enjoy that information. Thank you, Blake.